Welcome to Olodo Agbaya's channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Imagine a bustling city. Data science is the city planner sketching the blueprint. Data analytics is the traffic controller making sure everything runs smoothly. Data science, you see, is the broader concept. It's about understanding, processing and extracting valuable insights from raw data. It's the architect of strategies, using machine learning, predictive modeling, and algorithms. On the other hand, data analytics focuses on processing and performing statistical analysis on existing datasets. It's about finding patterns, drawing conclusions, and making informed decisions. It's the troubleshooter, pinpointing issues and providing solutions. So, in essence, data science designs the city, while data analytics ensures it functions efficiently. One crafts the vision, the other makes it a reality. Two different roles, but both indispensable in our data-driven world. Remember, it's not about choosing between data science and data analytics, but understanding how they work together to build a smarter, more efficient future.